Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to edit camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, in your phone open camera, then go to more button, and here some other options available like slow motion, macro, hyperlapse, night mode, foot mode, pro mode. You can bring these option to the main menu. Okay, suppose if you would like to get slow motion video, what you have to do is you have to long press on the slow motion and then drag to the main panel. Okay, and it will appear now in main panel, and finally click on save. It will be saved. Okay, now camera modes will be like this. Okay, in camera modes one more slow motion is added. Okay, again I go to more button here and I move now macro to the main panel. Yes, it has come here, and click on save. Okay, in this way you can easily edit camera mode. Suppose if you want to remove some option from the main menu to sub menu, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is long press on the what you got to do is go to more button and long press here on anything, and long press on the item in the main menu and move like this. Okay, I have moved from the main panel to sub panel. Okay, and click on save. So in this way you can easily do camera mode editing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.